Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Excuse me. If this is your first time here, my name is Septian. I have a whole YouTube channel where I reviewed in-ear monitors and true wireless stereo earbuds, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some new earbuds I just got from Adv-sound in New York. So let me get out my big unboxing knife and let's tear open this bag and let's see what we got. I might not need a box, and I might not need a knife. Get a knife vacation. I think I can just tear this apart. There we go. Don't even need no knife. Okay, what are these? These are the ADV Model Y True Wireless in-ear monitors. Okay. So it says right here on the box that has a graphene driver. So it was designed by musicians. And it says AAC with a circle, so I'm assuming that's the Bluetooth codec these have. Turn over on the side, you got intuitive touch controls, automatic on-off pairing, graphene high fidelity driver, 24 hours of battery life. Ooh, built-in wireless charging, nice. Didn't know they had that. And USB Type-C charging port. So hopefully these have some type of quick charging feature. Okay, here you got a little frequency graph, response graph or chart on the back. I don't know much about frequency response graphs, but I'm gonna say these are gonna be V-shaped. All right, cool. Now I do need, so I'm gonna have to get that knife. He's back on the job. Okay, get this plastic. Safety first, ladies and gentlemen. It's from a new company. I was on Instagram. I was looking at pictures of in-ear monitors people have, and these showed up, and I was like, what are those? And somebody posted the link to the website, and I was like, okay, I gotta have those. Those look nice. It's a child-proof box. I think it is. How do you get these out of here? Wait. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some editing magic, because... Okay. Okay, I was holding on to the tab. I got it. Nice. So these might replace my Antic Fire E60s, because the case on those is about the same dimensions all the way. Okay, look nice. Okay, this is a case. Here are the earbuds. Oh yes, I love me a dot style. Got some ADV branding along the side here. Yeah, these look dope. I like this indented part on the shell or the face of the earbud. That'll let you know like whether or not you're touching the touchscreen or not. Let's see what else we get inside the box. Okay. Get a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Let's see what else we got. What is this? Okay, this is the user manual in Japanese. I can't read Japanese. Let's see what we got with something in English, please. That's in Korean, I think. I can't read that either. What is this? A troll sticker? Oh, this is how you register your earbuds. Okay, there's gotta be something else in here. Come on. I gotta have something in English for me. This box is trolling me. What is it? Okay. So this is, I guess you can put the lanyard, little strap. So I'll be putting that on there. Let's see, anything in English? Okay, that's in, okay, you got, okay. It's stuck in here. Let me see if I can get this out. Okay, I got it. This one is in English. Okay. So let's see here. Yeah, charging, that's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just put the earbuds in the case. They might have some juice on them. They might not. I don't think they do. I do like the way that they sit up in the charging case though. They're not as like sunk in like most earbuds, so it'll be hard to grab. That's pretty nice. Nope, this case is super dead. Ain't no battery life on this thing. Let's just go over some of the... Okay, look at the tips here. Okay, now this is very important on how to wear these. I'm at work. I seen a dude, I kid you not, he had some like dot style earbuds. I think they might have been J-Lab, maybe J-Lab Air, Go Air or Go Air Sport. He had them things in there upside down like this. I wanted to say something, but like, hey, everybody's got a right to be wrong. Okay, turn over on the side, on the back. Ooh. Full touch controls. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so these are definitely gonna have, you can use these independently. Stereo mono mode. Alright, great. I can't wait to try these out. It's been a minute since I had some dot style earbuds that are really compact. Okay, let me see if these really do have wireless charging. Yep, they do. Look at that. They're charging wirelessly. Beautiful. So, this has been the unboxing of the Adv-sound Model Y True Wireless Earbuds. Lightweight, compact. Not too bad. Haven't put them in my ears. I gotta do some further testing. I'll give you my full review. Won't be too long. So, this wraps up the video. So consider liking, sharing, commenting. I read all your comments. I love feedback, good or bad, doesn't matter. With that being said, enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you next time.